Clan. I am BC Misra, English teacher, going to teach you the lesson Children at Work. Before teaching the lesson, I am going to read out the text. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, it took Belu some time to get off. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt bobby, as if he was still on moving train. Oh, out of the way, a porter went by with a loaded trolley. Belu jumped aside. He sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people, except once a year at the fair in his village. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcases. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. Near him, a group of people sat on their luggage, looking at TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. Belu put his head down on his knee, feeling miserable and exhausted. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel, and comb. He had walked for most of the first day to Kanpur and then got on the train to Chennai. Belu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. I what new to town, eh? Called out a rough voice. Belu opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Here I he turned around. Behind him was a girl around his age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sack. Why is she calling me? Thought Belu. And why is a girl wearing banyan? No need to stare, stupid. What's your name? Belu muttered, Belu looking away. So, Mr. Belu, said the girl, looking at his bundle. Run away from home. Belu didn't answer. He did not want to tell some strange girl what he had done. He had run away because he could not stand his father beating him for one more day. His father would snatch away all the money Belu and his sister earned and spend it on drink. Don't think I don't know. This place is full of children like you. So what are you going to do here? Become rich? She sat down next to him. Belu shifted away slightly. He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Hungry? Asked the girl. You won't get food by sitting here glumly, making faces. I can find some if you want. She picked up her sack and started to walk away. Belu stayed on the bench. What should he do? Should he follow this girl? Where was she going to take him? She was disappearing into the crowd, so he had to make up his mind quickly. Alright, he decided. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after her. She wasn't even looking back to see where he was.